Are you tired of the hustle, sick of the grind, want to make money while barely lifting a finger or not even lifting one at all? Well, folks, today's your lucky day because we're about to dive into the laziest, most effortless ways to make money online. Yes, you heard that right. Money making opportunities so easy, you could do them in your sleep, or at least half asleep. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Money Making Pals channel, and today I'm going to show you how to become a professional couch potato and get paid for it. So, put on your fluffiest robe, grab some snacks, and let's get this lazy money rolling. You will want to stay until the end of the video as I'm saving the best lazy money making tip for last. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any opportunity to make money online. First up, the creme de la creme of lazy income, getting paid to do absolutely nothing. And yes, I'm serious, there's this magical thing called passive income. If that's not your new favorite phrase, it will be by the end of this video. It's certainly my favorite 2 words. Let's start with something simple. Create a blog or a website. Now, I know what you're thinking, but that's work. Well, the lazy part comes after. Once your site is set up and running, you can slap on some ads, sit back, and let the dollars trickle in. If you can type a sentence and press publish, you're basically a blogging guru. Write a post about your favorite TV shows, your cat's weird sleeping habits, or the art of procrastination, whatever. Once the ads are up, you can go back to binge watching Netflix while your website does all the heavy lifting. Next up, we've got selling digital products that you've already made. Did you spend a few hours last year putting together a lame ebook, a random spreadsheet, or even a doodle you thought was cool? Put that baby up for sale. I once sold an ebook on the history of pizza toppings for $5 a pop. You'd be surprised how many people out there are willing to pay for something just to avoid writing it themselves. Sure, I only sold 3 copies, but that's $15 and I made it while doing literally nothing after I hit upload. The best part? Once you've created it, you can keep selling it over and over. It's like recycling your laziness for profit. Here's a twist. Do you have a half-finished online course sitting around? Maybe you tried making one about knitting or how to cook with only a microwave, but you lost interest halfway through? Guess what? You can still sell that. People love learning from real people who aren't perfect. Just slap together what you've got, give it a catchy title, and toss it up in Udemy or Skillshare. Trust me, someone out there is going to pay to learn from your unique approach. Plus, you can always promise to add more content later. Whether you do or don't is totally up to you. Now, let's talk about making money for doing things that you already do. I'm not suggesting that you charge your roommates for every meme you share, but let's get close. Did you know that you can get paid to watch videos? That's right. Websites like Swagbox and Inbox Dollars will literally give you cash or gift cards just to watch ads and random videos. Yes, I'm telling you, you can get paid to watch cat videos. It's basically a dream come true. You're already watching videos when you should be working, so why not make some money while you're at it? It's the perfect way to monetize your procrastination. Imagine telling people, yeah, I get paid to watch videos all day. That's a flex if I've ever heard of one. Are you a music lover who can't get enough of new tracks? Well, you can get paid to review music on sites like Slice the Pie. Sure, you might have to listen to some questionable tunes, but just think of it as getting paid to be a couch critic. And if the music's bad, even better, you can roast it and get paid for your brutally honest opinions. How's that for therapeutic? Another easy one, online focus groups. Companies want to know what you think about their products, so they're willing to pay for your feedback. Sign up with sites like Respondent or Vendel Research, and you could be earning money while you sit in on a Zoom call with your camera off. The best part, you can do it all from your couch. Just make sure to mumble something vaguely intelligent every now and then and you're golden. Who knew that being opinionated could be so profitable? The trick is to sound like you care without actually caring. Something we lazy people excel at. Alright, let's level up. These next few options are for those of us who have mastered the art of laziness and want to make money in the most luxurious ways possible. If you got stuff laying around that you never use, I'm sure you do because we all do. Sites like Fat Llama let you rent out anything from camera gear to a tent you've never even taken out of the bag. You can even rent out your parking space if you're not using it. All you do is sit back, relax, and let your stuff work for you. The beauty here is you don't even need to do the renting yourself. Just list it, and if someone wants it, they come and get it. You're basically getting paid to let your junk gather dust. You might even rediscover some things you forgot you had. It's like finding money in an old coat pocket, but better because someone else will give you money for it. You know how everyone's always talking about companies taking your data? Well, why not flip the script and sell it yourself? Apps like Nielsen and Mobile Expression will pay you just for letting them track your phone usage. You're already giving it away for free, so you might as well get paid. It's like you're hacking the system, but lazier. Let's be real. If someone's gonna profit off my cat video obsession, it better be me. Okay, now we're getting into the real lazy territory. Making money from your bed. I'm talking about barely moving a muscle here, folks. Let's start with online surveys. Now, they're not going to make you rich, but they will make you a few extra bucks for basically doing nothing. Websites like Survey Junkie and Vindel Research will pay you to give your opinion on everything from cereal to the latest Marvel movie. Here's a pro tip. Answer as lazily as possible. Just keep clicking the same option. Is it accurate? Who cares? This is lazy money after all. Plus, you can do these surveys while you're in bed, waiting for the pizza delivery guy, or even while pretending to listen in on a Zoom meeting. No one has to know that you're secretly making money on the side. Here's a sneaky, lazy trick. Cashback apps. If you're shopping online anyway, use apps like Rakuten or Honey to get cashback on your purchases. It's like getting a discount without even trying. You click a button, you shop, and then you get money back. It's basically magic. If you're not using these apps, you're basically leaving money on the table. And trust me, we're all about that free money life here. And the best part, most of these apps automatically find the best deals for you. So you're saving money and earning cash back without lifting a finger. Lazy and smart, that's what we're aiming for. We have reached the pinnacle, my friends. These are the laziest of the lazy ways to make money online. If you thought the last tips were easy, buckle up. This take it to a whole new level. Focus groups. Yes, companies will pay you to give your opinion on their products, and all you have to do is talk. Sites like User Testing and Respondent are perfect for this. They ask you some questions, you respond while lying down, and boom, cash in your account. If you've ever wanted to complain about a product and get paid for it, this is your moment. It's like a venting session that comes with a paycheck. And the best part, you don't even need to get dressed. Stay in your pajamas, stay naked, stay in bed, and let the dollars roll right in. Speaking of talking, did you know that you can make money just by talking into a mic? You don't even need to get out of bed. Websites like ACX let you narrate audiobooks. Now, this might take a little effort, but you're literally just reading out loud. You could be the next voice of that steamy romance novel your grandma reads. Think about the legacy. Plus, once you've recorded it, the royalties keep coming in. That's money in your sleep, people. Passive income. It's like being a voice actor, but with none of the hassle. No makeup, no travel, no clothes, no real work. Just you, your voice, and some very appreciative listeners. Alright, you've made it to the final level. These are the laziest ways to make money online. If you've been thinking there's no way it gets easier than this, oh, you're about to be pleasantly surprised. First up, let's talk about getting paid to sleep. No joke, some companies will actually pay you to sleep for their studies. Whether it's testing out some new mattresses or participating in sleep research, you can earn cash for catching some zzz. Imagine getting a call that says, "Hey, we need you to sleep and we'll pay you for it." That's the kind of job offer we're all waiting for, right? Plus, you get to be part of important scientific research while doing nothing but napping. It's basically the Nobel Prize for laziness. If you're feeling adventurous but still lazy, consider getting paid to participate in clinical trials. Companies need to test new products and they'll pay you to try them out. This could be anything from skincare products to the latest health supplement. Just make sure to read the fine print because, laziness shouldn't come with weird side effects. But if you're okay with trying out a new face cream or sipping a weird tasting shake, you could make some easy cash. Plus, you get to feel like a trendsetter, testing out the next big thing before it hits the market, all while staying comfortably lazy. Here's one that's super easy. Get paid to review websites and apps. Sites like User Testing will pay you to check out new websites or apps and give your feedback. You don't need any special skills. Just click around, say what you think, and get paid. The best part, these reviews only take a few minutes and you can do them from anywhere, even the bathroom. Yeah, I said it, let's be real. If you can make money while you're in the toilet, you're truly living the dream. Just think of it as multitasking at its laziest. And hey, your opinion matters, especially when it comes with a paycheck. So there you have it, the laziest ways to make money online. Now you've got no excuse to start racking in those sweet, sweet dollars while you binge watch your favorite show or take an extra long nap. And because you've stayed until the end, here's a bonus tip. Get paid to be lazy on social media. Influencers make money by posting about their lives, and guess what? Your life is already happening. Sign up with an affiliate program or get sponsors for your posts, and you can turn those lazy selfies into cash. If you're already scrolling through Instagram or TikTok, you might as well get paid for it, right? And who knows, you might just be the next big influencer by doing almost nothing. All right, that's all from me today.